Hello YouTubers, welcome to part 8 of Project Freebie Jet Ski. If you're just tuning in, let me give you a quick recap. I received this jet ski for free about a year ago, and I've been slowly restoring it to its former glory. My goal has been to get this thing on the water with a budget of $350. After determining the engine was good, the challenge was on. After many hard months of cleaning, replacing parts, rebuilding the carburetors, buffing the paint, and a successful engine start, there's just one thing left to do, and that is to rebuild the jet pump. Instead of looking for a good used jet pump, I decided to rebuild the original one using fresh bearings and seals. Here's my freshly rebuilt jet pump. I wish a new impeller and wear ring were in the budget, as this ski needs both, desperately. Once I get this thing in the water and see how well it runs, maybe I might spend the coin on those parts, but for now, I'll make do with what I have. Installing the correct spark plugs fixed all of my weird running issues. The previous owner was using BR9ES spark plugs, and I always thought those were the correct ones. Boy, was I wrong. Oh well, she's running great again. Now that the jet pump and spark plugs are installed, it's time to head to the lake. The jet ski seems to run great on the trailer, but the engine is overheating because it's not getting the water needed to cool it. Time to investigate. The first thing we did was pull off the water inlet hose to see if water is being pumped in like it's supposed to. Since water is being pumped in, I think we have a problem at the water inlet filter, which is this thing. These water inlet filters are notorious for getting clogged and causing the engine to overheat. Yep, that was the problem. The water inlet filter was clogged with a bunch of junk. After reinstalling the cleaned out filter, the engine is now being cooled by the lake. Time to see how this thing runs.
We got the drain plug in, right? Yep, drain plug in. Let's see what happens. Yeah, maybe.
Cool, the ski seems to be running pretty well. There's no question that the wear ring and impeller need replacing, as I was having some difficulty getting the ski up on plane. However, once the ski was on plane, it runs great. I was really surprised how much top end power this ski has. Uh-oh, I feel a race coming on. It's time to get out my 95 XP 800 and see how well this Daytona 1000 stacks up against it. Wow, that's not bad. This old girl can still hold her own against my GPS verified 61 mile per hour 95 XP 800. I bet if this Daytona had a fresh wear ring and impeller installed, the gap between these two machines would shorten. So far I'm really impressed with this Tigershark. The engine and hull are very good. I have owned many musclecraft jet skis over the years, and I'm surprised these didn't catch on more. It's a real shame Arctic Cat decided to shut down their jet ski line just when they were starting to get things right. So now you are probably wondering, how much has this project cost me? So far I have $290.60 invested in this thing. Not bad. My original budget was $350 and I'm well under it. Hopefully this video will inspire you to get out there and save an older machine. These old jet skis make great family projects, and it will also keep them out of our landfills. I had a great time working on this Daytona 1000, and I plan on enjoying it for many years to come. Now get out there and save a ski. Happy wrenching!